What is up, guys? So yesterday was a big day in the stock market. Today it's down a little bit, and then crypto has been spontaneously pumping. Certain cryptos, I saw Theta pumped. Co-founder of Theta is a co-founder, one of the co-founders of YouTube. So that's kind of interesting. Steem is actually pumping today, which was kind of interesting because basically there's been this big back and forth with Steem and now the Hive blockchain. A lot of the community broke away after Justin Sun had bought Steem Incorporated. In my opinion, a lot of the people in the Hive camp that went over to Hive, they originally kind of quote unquote struck first when they try to lock up Justin Sun's account, and this ongoing war keeps going on. And now Justin Sun is doing a hard fork of the Steem blockchain after he effectively took over the witness positions and a lot of people left. And he's going to basically steal people's funds and then put it into a supposed community account. Now, one of those accounts is actually the Freedom account, which was always thought to have been held by Steem Incorporated or Ned or someone, originally associated with that. So that's kind of interesting. And yeah, it's getting kind of crazy out there, but it is pumping today. And then I think they're going to lock out Bitrix's account, the Bitrix exchange account. And I don't know. So we're talking a total of potentially, $23 million worth of Steem or something that's going to be kind of siphoned off or something. So that's kind of a crazy situation. Block one is going to start voting on the EOS blockchain, on the EOS mainnet, with a little bit of their stake. So we'll see that. That's kind of interesting. And then also, well, I was wanting to show you guys, I've been out here lifting, getting another lifting session in. Here's my weight set. Got the weights. And then if you want to add more weight, just grab a log. And there you go. There's more weight. Got the bar, got the setup. This is what we do. We're going to be back in the weight room on the 24th. So ramping up, getting ready for that. And as far as baseball goes, still plugging away every day. And we'll see where we're going to play this summer. But I guarantee you baseball will be played this summer by somebody. So it is already actually being played at the youth levels. We'll see at the professional level. If the MLB can't get off the ground, it could be the independent leagues that are the torchbearers for America's pastime in the United States this summer. So we will see. But still working on that. But overall, I mean, lending standards and all this kind of stuff, interest rates are low for people that want to get a mortgage. It's down to like 3.09% or something like that. Bubba can get a new monster truck, 0 down, 84-month term through GM, 72-month term through Chrysler. And I mean, he can go up to Wisconsin and go to the bars and rage out. So unprecedented times on lending and all that stuff. But yeah, guys, what are you guys buying? Are you just hanging out or what? Follow me on all social media at Brian Phobos, YouTube, Instagram, Steam it, Twitter, Hive, everywhere.